What do we got? In this next topic, we'll talk about a little bit of a PSA for Tesla vehicles and how Tesla vehicles can save you a lot of money in different ways. But the biggest thing is, or one of the biggest thing besides fuel costs and not paying for that, but the electricity cost is going up now. But the biggest thing is no maintenance or lack of maintenance, or a lot less maintenance than other luxury or other vehicles that have gasoline engines. And so we'll talk about it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla hacking, as I like to call it, but basically just getting the best deal on a Tesla at the best financing rate. So definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. And so let us take a look at this. This was actually inspired by this post or this tweet from Tesla themselves. If you haven't seen it, quote, minimal maintenance equals less money versus comparable ICE vehicles. So this is of course an advertising post from Tesla, but that's one thing, like Tesla doesn't really do any sort of regular, normal, traditional advertising on television, radio, or anything like that, but they will advertise on social media. And so here it is. Recommended maintenance. Typical ICE car has all these different things, and if you own an ICE car or own a gasoline car, you know exactly what we are talking about. Windshield wiper fluid, tire rotation, cabin air filter, engine air filter, oil changes, fluid changes, spark plug changes, batteries, all this different stuff, even fuel filter all the way at the bottom. And so this can add, you know, thousands of dollars every single year. Maybe not in the first few years when you buy a vehicle, but definitely later on when you have to get to that 4-year, 5-year, or even 3-year mark, you're going to have to pay for a lot more maintenance. But Tesla on the other side, which right here they listed it on the right side here, really Tesla only has windshield wiper fluid, tire rotation, and cabin air filter, which that is 100% correct. Like there's really not much that you need to do in maintenance for Teslas or really any other electric vehicle at this point. But the one big thing that kind of goes in the opposite direction versus gasoline cars is tires. You're going to spend a lot more money on tires just because of that instant acceleration, instant torque. You will burn through more tires with your electric vehicle and your Tesla than a normal gasoline car. But that's, you know, you can always try and calm with the acceleration and not drive as crazily or aggressive, so that could outweigh it on the other end. But definitely some pretty interesting stuff. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you're thinking. You know, this is one factor among many factors on like the cost benefit analysis of buying an electric vehicle or a Tesla versus a normal gas car, where you certainly will save. So even though a Tesla and other EVs are more expensive, like upfront costs, all this other stuff starts to actually outweigh it and balance it at the end of the day. But I wanted to film this a little bit as a PSA. I saw Tesla tweeted this, and so I'd figure we'd talk about it. But let me know what your thoughts on it. Definitely some pretty interesting stuff. We're going to get into our next topic, but before we do that, this video is actually sponsored by my Patreon link down below in the description if you want to support the channel, so definitely check it out. All right.